Alrighty, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a super cute winter polar bear today. So make sure your paper is up and down the tallway like this, and let's get started. With your pencil, we're going to start by drawing this cloud shape. This is going to be the base of our Christmas hat. Then we're going to draw a line and stop, draw a line and stop, and then connect it. And then there's one more thing we have to add. There's a pom-pom at the end of the hat. So we're gonna draw a circle. And there we go, we're done with the hat. Awesome. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the head. So we're gonna start by drawing a straight line and then a semicircle. The semicircle is gonna be our polar bear's ear. Then we're gonna draw another semicircle on the inside. That's the inside of our baby polar bear's ear. Then we're going to draw the rest of the head. So we're going to go down and draw some fluff marks because our polar bear is super fluffy. He has to be super fluffy in the middle of winter because it's so cold. The fur is what keeps him warm. So we're going to do the same on both sides. Add some fluff. Check your paper really fast and make sure you got all the steps down. Then we're going to move on to his eyes. Since he's a baby polar bear, he has big eyes. Big eyes. So we're going to draw one circle and two circles. Both of his eyes. Good, we have his eyes down. Now we need to draw his pupils. That's the black part of his eyes. His pupils. He's looking down at his candy cane. And then there's one last thing we have to add to our eyes before they're complete. One more circle. One more circle. And then once we have that done, we can color in his pupils. So with your pencil, go ahead and color in his pupils. And we're using pencil first in case we make a mistake. We can always erase it. All good artists start with pencil first in case they need to erase something. It's okay to make mistakes, but if you draw on a Sharpie, it's gonna be super, super hard to get rid of the mistake, right? So there we go. We have it all colored in. Now he needs some eyebrows because he's a happy, happy polar bear. Eyebrows, and he needs a nose. So we're gonna draw an upside down triangle, little nose. And he's a smiling polar bear, so we need to give him his little smile. Oh, look at that. He's so happy. He loves his candy cane. What a happy guy. So we have his face done, we have his head done, we have his hat done. Now we need to do his arms. Do his arms. So there's one arm. And we can only see part of the other arm, so we're just going to draw a circle on that side. And then he needs two little lines for his toes. Two little lines for his toes. Now we have his arms done. Awesome! Now we're going to move on to his candy cane. So a candy cane is basically an upside down J. Upside down J. So I'm going to do it on one side, and then to make it bigger, I'm going to do the same shape on the other side to get our candy cane shape. And candy canes have stripes, so we need to add some lines that are slightly curved to our candy cane so that it looks three-dimensional. Yeah, three-dimensional, 3D. Then a couple little fluff marks because he's so fluffy, and then his body. So draw a little wiggly line and stop so we can draw his tail, and his tail is a circle or a C. Then we're going to draw his hind legs. It's going to connect to the tail, bring it down. And then we're going to do it on the other side, but not the whole thing. We can't see the whole thing, right? Then toe, and paw pad. Line, line, circle. Line, line, circle. And we just add a few extra marks And we're done drawing our polar bear. Oh, gotta add his arm. Woohoo! Okay, let's go ahead and color. All right, I added a little bit of color to my polar bear. Polar bears are white, so I left him mostly white with the red Santa hat and the candy cane. Have fun coloring.